Breaking news. I said it here, but some people were so ignorant. Now, the government has now confirmed that they have lowered the quality of our petrols. They have lowered the quality. That means the one we are using now, or what they are going to import right after this one that we are using, is a low quality fuel to curb the petroleum challenges. Wameamua ipungue. Wameamua saa hii bora gari na guruma.
The Kenyan government has officially approved a temporary relaxation of fuel quality standards for a period of 6 months, effective from April 30th, 2026. This decision was made to prevent a national fuel shortage triggered by severe disruptions in global supply chains. The change, the maximum allowable sulfur content for both premium motor spirit, petrol, and automotive gas oil, diesel, has been raised to 50 milliliters KEBS. Previous standards. This move is a reversal of recent stricter environmental standards, KSEAS 158/2025 and KSEAS 177/2025, that mandated much lower sulfur levels for modern engines and cleaner air. The timeline, the waiver is set for 6 months, though Trade Cabinet Secretary Kenyan noted it could be reviewed earlier if global supply conditions stabilize. Why was this necessary? The Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, in consultation with the Kenya Bureau of Standards, KEBS, identified several critical factors making the current cleaner standards impossible to maintain. Geopolitical conflict. Tensions in the Middle East, specifically involving the US, Israel and Iran, have significantly hindered shipping routes. Strait of Hormuz disruptions. As a primary transit point for 20% of the world's oil, the volatility in the Strait of Hormuz has made sourcing high-specification, low-sulphur fuel increasingly difficult and expensive. Industry pressure. Petroleum dealers and oil marketers reported major challenges in securing cargoes that met Kenya's previous, stricter compliance levels, leading to fears of dry pumps across the country. Potential impacts. While the primary goal is economic stability and uninterrupted supply, the move comes with trade-offs. 1. Consumer benefits. Availability. The most immediate impact is the prevention of fuel queues and rationing, ensuring that transport, manufacturing and electricity generation continue. Price stability. By allowing a broader range of fuel qualities, the government hopes to ease the upward pressure on pump prices, which recently hit record highs, averaging 200 shillings per litre in mid-April. 2. Technical and environmental concerns. Engine wear. Newer vehicle engines designed specifically for low-sulphur fuel may experience higher maintenance needs or reduced efficiency over time with the 50 mg Sukari fuel. Air quality. Higher sulphur levels lead to increased exhaust emissions. This may temporarily degrade air quality in high-traffic urban areas like Nairobi. Climate goals. Environmental advocates note that this move pauses Kenya's progress toward transitioning to cleaner energy standards. The government has emphasized that this is a strictly temporary measure to cushion the economy against external shocks, while global oil prices hover near 4-year highs. Whether you're hitting the road or managing a fleet, staying informed is the best way to protect your engine and your pocket. What are your thoughts on this move by the government? Do you think the trade-off for lower fuel quality is worth the price stability? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this update helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a fellow motorist. For more deep dives into the news that impacts your daily life here in Kenya, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the roads, and I'll catch you in the next update.